Now, in order to create your AI influencer, first of all, you will need a prompt to define how your character will look like, how your influencer will look like. For me, I use Claude AI in order to describe how I want my AI influencer to look like. And I describe it like I need a prompt for an AI influencer. First setting can be inside the car, and second can be the house or whatever. African lady and very beautiful, hair is weak and she is 25, black. So now this is the prompts that Claude AI came out with. So with these prompts, we'll be generating our image using these prompts. So copy the prompt, and then we'll be using ChatGPT to generate our image. Now on ChatGPT, click here and paste your prompt, and then click on generate. This is exactly what I was looking for. Click to preview the image and click to download your image. In order to maintain everything on our next scene, we have to input this image again as an image reference. So click to upload the image again. Come back to Claude AI to copy the second prompt, and then click here to paste the prompts. Then click on generate. Now can you see how it maintains the character and also put it in a different scene? Everything looks the same. So this is exactly what I was looking for, and this is how you can maintain consistency while you are trying to make your AI influencer. So click here to download it. When you are done with that, the next thing you want to do is to generate your voiceover. Now you can use 11 Lab, or you can also use Google AI Studio, but for me I choose to use Google AI Studio. Come down here and click on the playground, and then come here and select the models option, and then come here to select speech and music. Select the Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS preview for it. Now you can also select default templates here built in for you. For me, I'll be selecting the art voiceover. Let's listen to how it sounds.
You don't just want a car, you want a sanctuary. Introducing the all-new Aetherus sedan with whisper quiet cabin technology and an interior designed around you. It's not just about getting to your destination, it's about arriving inspired. Aetherus, move beautifully.
Here is my own voiceover that I created. As you can see here, I created the voiceover using Claude AI. You can also create your own. For me, this is what I wanted the AI to say, and Claude AI has been able to give me a very nice script that will match the visual. So here is the script for my voiceover. I copy it, come back to Google AI Studio, paste your own audio, and then click on run. So when you click on run, it will give you your own audio, which is what I've already generated here.
Okay, wait, can we talk about this for a second? I used to think a nice watch was one of those things you had to save up forever for, or just do without. Like, it wasn't really for me. Then I found Happy Buy Store's affordable watches, and this watch showed up at my door, and I genuinely could not believe the quality.
In order to make our AI talk, we were using Hey Gen. Come to Hey Gen and then click here to upload your image. I'll be going with this particular image, and then click to open. Then for your voiceover, click here to upload your voiceover, and click here to select your voiceover. For me, this is the file I'll be selecting. Click on add audio. When your audio is done uploading, just click on generate. Now here is the result of our video, although this is not the premium account, but this is just for reference purpose.
Okay, wait, can we talk about this for a second? I used to think a nice watch was one of those things you had to save up forever for, or just do without. Like, it wasn't really for me. Then I found Happy Buy Store's affordable watches, and this watch showed up at my door, and I genuinely could not believe the quality. Stainless steel case, sapphire crystal glass, and real leather strap. It feels expensive. It looks expensive. I've had it on every day this week. Dressed up, dressed down, didn't matter. It just works with everything. And every single time someone asks about it, I have to stop myself from bragging too hard. So if you need something like this, check them out on Instagram as happybystore_watches.
Now guys, let me know what you think about it in the comment section. For me, I'll be switching to a premium account where I will be able to download this. Thank you and see you on the next video.